How to do laundry. Our laundry rooms can use coins or the Clean Cash app that you can upload money to from a credit card or debit card. Laundry typically costs around $3.50 to wash and dry per load. It is easier to use laundry detergent pods in our washers. It makes less of a mess and it's easier to put them in a basket before you head down to the laundry room. Washing scent beads can also be used after you put your detergent and clothes in the machine. To help your clothes be less staticky, use dryer sheets. To be more environmentally friendly, use cold water when washing your clothes and use a dryer ball instead of dryer sheets. Make sure you do not overstuff the washers and dryers to ensure they work properly. When you're all done, set a timer on your phone or check the Clean Cash app to see when your laundry is done, and happy washing.